Onions are an excellent source of antioxidants. In fact, they contain over 25 different varieties of flavonoid antioxidants. These antioxidants inhibit oxidation, a process that leads to cellular damage and contributes to diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Brain. Did you know that onions are good for the brain? Onions can improve brain health. Because onions contain vitamin C and B. Potassium is very good for suppressing inflammation in the brain, which can help the chances of Alzheimer's disease. Digestion. Onions can improve digestion problems. Onions are high in fiber, which is very important for healthy digestion. Eating onions will help your bowel movements, which is essential for better digestion. If you enjoying the video, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Heart. Heart disease is one of the most common chronic diseases in the USA, which can be preventable with the right foods and a healthy lifestyle. Onions are good for cardiovascular health. Onions have lots of health benefits, which is why you need to try to add them to your diet. Bones. Onions are very beneficial for healthy and strong bones. Onions are high in flavonoids and quercetin, which promote bone health. Onions increase bone density. Immune system. Onions are also good for boosting your immune system due to their high vitamins, mineral, and antioxidant properties. They are high in vitamin C, which is essential for rebuilding cells and keeping your immune system functioning. Onions typically do not pose much of a risk for most people. They are a healthy addition to most diets, especially when eaten in small amounts. Will you be adding onions into your diet? Please let us know in the comments below.